Welcome to Quick Coding Tips. Today we're solving a common programming challenge. Let's start by understanding the problem. I wrote an Android application. Now, I want to make the device vibrate when a certain action occurs. Here's the solution. Try, span style color red, white space, import android.os, vibrator. Vibrator vibrator get system service context.vibrator_service. Vibrate for 500 milliseconds if build.version.sdk_intgt. Build.version_codes.ov.vibrate vibration effect.create one-shot 500. Vibration effect.default_amplitude. Else deprecated in API 26v.vibrate 500. Span note. Don't forget to include permission in Android manifest.xml file. This approach is efficient. For the complete solution, check the video description. Thanks for watching Quick Coding Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more programming tips.